Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to model safety stock replenishment using process flow in FlexSim. This is a quick and simple exercise, so let's dive right in. Before we start building the model, let's first understand the problem. Imagine a basic manufacturing or assembly line. At the beginning of the process, there is a small inventory with a safety stock level of 10 items. If the inventory drops below this level, a forklift will automatically replenish it from the store. Our goal is to simulate this scenario using process flow. Let's start modeling this. First, we need to add the necessary objects to our model. We begin by placing a queue to hold the initial inventory, a processor to represent a manufacturing step, and a sink to remove finished items. Then, we add another queue to act as the store, a source to generate new items, and a forklift for transportation. Once all the objects are in place, we connect them using A connectors to define the material flow. Now, let's set up the process flow to manage inventory replenishment. First, we add a schedule source. Next, we include a create object activity to generate the initial inventory at Q1, setting the quantity to 15 and referencing Q1 as the location. To track when the inventory reaches the safety stock level, we add a wait for event activity, choosing the event on content change and setting the condition to decrease to or through value with a value of 10. This ensures that the system detects when the inventory falls below 10. Now, we need to model the replenishment process using the forklift. We add acquire, release, and resource activities to manage forklift movement. In the resource activity, we link it with the transporter object to ensure the forklift is assigned correctly. Then, we link the acquire activity with this resource activity. Next, we add a load activity. We update the references and set the item reference as model.findStore.first, ensuring the forklift picks up the item from the store. After that, we add an unload activity, updating its references so the forklift places the items into Q1. Once the forklift releases the item, we introduce a decide activity to determine whether replenishment should continue. If the inventory in Q1 is below 18, the forklift continues replenishing items. If the inventory reaches 18 or more, replenishment pauses until the stock drops below 10 again. Once all the activities are connected, we reset and run the model. The forklift will now automatically transport items from the store whenever the inventory level falls below the safety stock. That's it. Hope this tutorial gives you a clear understanding of how to model safety stock replenishment in process flow. Thanks for watching.